When planning your objectives, they need to be smart so they're successful. But how do you make smart objectives? Break down the objectives using a personal development plan table. The table has 5 columns. The first is the planned action and tasks. What activities will you do? Next is success criteria. How will you know that it's complete? Next is resources. What do you need, or who do you need to support you to do that task? Next is the goal. What do you want to achieve? The 5th column is date due. When will you complete this or review progress? You can see each column provides a smart element. Define tasks make it specific. Define success criteria makes it measurable. Having the required resources makes it achievable. Making sure the objective aligns with the goal ensures the objective is relevant. Setting a date makes it time-bound. All of these elements put together forms an objective. So let's apply this to an example. The goal is learning to play the guitar. Tasks could be practice 3 times per week, book lessons, read about music sheet structure. A good success criteria could be passing the grade 1 guitar exam. To do the tasks, you'll need resources, such as time to practice, a guitar teacher, a book explaining music sheets. For the due date, you could aim to sit the exam in 3 months' time. So let's check, is this objective smart? Is it specific? Yes. Is it measurable? Yes. Is it achievable? Yes. Is it relevant? Yes. And is it time-bound? Yes. So putting these elements together, your objective would be practice 3 times per week for my grade 1 exam in 3 months' time. Now it's your turn. Have a go at planning your objectives with your personal development plan.